Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create a 3D photo on CapCut PC. So select your photo and go to AI stylize and you're going to select style. Then you are going to go to it's in trending, so if you can't find it anywhere else, it's under the trending section here. And you're just going to select this 3D zoom one. So just select it and wait for it to be applied. As you can see, it's going to process it for you, and it's going to give you like this 3D effect. Okay, make sure the duration is a little bit longer than that. There, I'm just going to make it a little bit longer. Then I'm going to go to the effects section, and I'm going to type in 3D. And as you can see, there is this one. It was under the, yeah, it's in the D3D one. So you can add in like this really cute effect to add in more of that 3D. You can choose any of these that you want. But yeah, that is basically it really. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!